Hey everyone, it's March 27th, 2018, and today I present you with an Alaska 42-inch ceiling fan sold exclusively at Kmart, labeled Atlantic Air, back when they actually had good fans on display. And they're Casablancas compared to what they have now. And that being said, it mimics the Casablanca Spirit of Saturn, the ever-popular fan manufactured of that era, which was discontinued sometime in the mid-90s, I want to say. But anyway, this is like the rarest finish of it, and I got it at Goodwill. Got a really good deal on it too. And that's the first fan I've purchased there since I began my employment there. And it's funny, I used to work at Kmart for a while, and then ironically it was donated to Goodwill, so what a coincidence. And without further ado, let's have a look at the canopy. It's flush mounted. There's the side band and the ventless faceplate. See into the motor right there. There's the arched end blade. Other side is walnut. Don't know how well you can see it, but everything about this fan is original. The reverse switch is over there. It's right there. Put CFL bulbs in it. Everything complete with the chains. I like the way it looks. Puts out good light. And it gives you that homey feeling. That's the only kind of this is the only finish of this fan that would give that feeling with the oak and the antique brass. Turn them off and let's rev up the fan. First on low. Medium. I know it does have some bearing noise, and I apologize for that, so have to give it some zoom spout. And high. It's well balanced too, but the only flaw of it is the bearings. See that? And right there is part of where the price tag was peeled off, and there's part of it there. And I think we will power it down. Yeah, because most Alaska fans they sequence low, medium, high, just like Casablancas. And believe me, this is a Casablanca compared to what Kmart sells today. They don't offer a heck of a lot of ceiling fans. Yeah, their storage was just absolutely sucks. Let alone the display, the awesome display they had. Because as a kid, at this one Kmart I frequented, it felt like you were at Disney World when you'd see the display. Okay, fan has ceased operation. Thank you for watching. More to come.